market is going through a very exciting phase where there are a lot of first-time customers who are entering the Android or the smartphone category, and therefore the scope for growth is extremely high, and there is huge potential that this particular segment is offering right now. And the Indian market is going through a very exciting phase when it comes to smartphones. There are several customers, there is a huge set of customers who are entering into the smartphone category for the first time. So therefore, there is a huge potential, there is a huge scope for all the players to continue their offerings there. And specifically, if you were to talk about the offering that we have a range of smartphones that range from 7,000 rupees to up to 25,000 rupees, and all of them are primarily on the Android OS, which is the most preferred OS right now for all Indian consumers. A concept like this, which you see here, is actually going to be very useful to a lot of people who want to know more about Android technology, who are primarily the first time entrants in the smartphone category. They would like to know more about what this technology brings for them. Not just hardware, but also the software, which is primarily the operating system, which Android is the most popular one right now. So therefore, it's a very exciting concept, and they have done very well. In fact, the way it is designed itself is extremely good. It leaves a lot of freedom to explore whatever you want to explore, and then there are people who are very well trained to guide you on what to look for, what is specific things, and how the platform can help you in achieving that the result. The smartphone market is expanding and it's growing at a very rapid pace. And the growth is being propelled by a lot of first-time users of the Android smartphones, or smartphones for that matter. And therefore, there are a lot of people, a lot of customers who are entering into this category for the first time. And therefore, there's a need to educate them about what a smartphone can do, how different a smartphone is from what they have been using till now. I think therefore a concept store like this is extremely useful for those people who want to know something for the first time and who are going to use, and also even for the people who have not still explored the full potential of the smartphone. It's been mostly about phones, has been mostly about hardware. I think now a lot of people would know about what a software capability the Android smartphone has, or a smartphone for that matter has. Therefore, that's going to be extremely useful to explore in places like this, in stores like this. Therefore, I find it very interesting, and I find the way they were designed is extremely good. It's the staff here is very well trained, and they are in a position to explain to you the further details, the next level details of everything that we are doing. In fact, as far as Xolo brand is concerned, in Xolo brand we have smartphones ranging from 7,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees, and all of them are running currently on the Android platform, because that is the preferred platform right now. And we have seen the kind of customers who come to us, and we know that they have a certain set of preferences for the hardware as well as software. But we also realize there are many people who have not still explored the full potential of the smartphones. So therefore, again, this concept is extremely good. And we see for brand Xolo, I think we see a very good growth happening. We have been growing at a very rapid pace over the last 6 months, and we see this market further expand and in fact almost multiply in the months to come. And as far as the festivals are concerned, I think the right time to buy a mobile device. A lot of people are going out shopping and buying new gadgets and new stuff. And for us, I think we have got a great lineup coming up. For example, we have recently announced our partnership with NVIDIA. We have a current growing partnership with Intel already. We have just had a partnership with NVIDIA wherein we are launching, apart from the phone that we have launched, a Tegra 3 platform, we are also launching a Tegra 4 platform on the tablet, which we just recently announced, which is going to be the cutting edge technology that we will bring to the Indian consumers. So that way we have a portfolio which is really addressing the core needs of the smartphone users who want to do more with their smartphones, and it's not just about the hardware.